Hey there, I'm Kris Lauren from Pretty Little Lines, and I'm an artist and an illustrator. And today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make a cute planner cover using my latest product, Instagal Fashion Portrait Creator. This portrait creator allows you to create your own casual fashion girl by simply turning on and off layers in Photoshop. So let's dive in and get started. And I'll start by locating my Instagal PSD file and opening it up. Alright, so here she is. So what you want to do is make sure first of all that you have your layers palette open, and if you don't see it already, just go to Windows and select Layers and it'll pop up here to the right. So first I'm going to go and create my lady. So let's start with the bodies. So there are a number of body shapes and sizes you can use. I have 4 different body shapes. They are slim, curvy, petite, and athletic. And they all come with different skin tones and different outfits and body positions. So let's just see here. We can go this skin tone, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's start with that. I'm going to turn her hair off so we can go from scratch here. And there's a number of different outfits and body shapes, as you can see. In this creator, I've created on all nice and casual outfits. It's mostly like what I like to wear, to be honest. But you can see she's ready to go out for a casual day. So, you know what, I'm gonna stick with this gal here, and then you can open it up and you can see that this outfit comes in a few different color options for you. I kind of like this green one. I'll do that. And then we can change, I'm gonna zoom in here for you so you can see her face a little bit. So you can change, she has a smile or a pout, and we can go and open up the smiles, and she's got some different colors of lipstick. Kind of like this bright one. And I'll show you the pouts too here. She has that pout, a little moodier. But I think for today, for this gal, let's do a smile. And you can change her nose shape. This gives a little bit of a different look. And there's this one. Maybe we'll leave it there. And we can give her some sunglasses, or can do a number of options with eyes here as well. And she's got, I think I like these ones for her. But I'll show you the blue eyes, and they all have different versions as well there. So let's give her some brown eyes, and this is my fun part. We have a number of options here. So in these, you can open them up, and then they have different hair colors as well. So, oops, we have our 2 hairstyles. We have a bob, that's cute, and a pony. And so you can see you can have a variation. That's cute. I like this one. This is actually how my hair looks like. Well, it'll be blonde, but yeah, it's my natural hair curl. So let's go with that. I think she looks good like that. And then if you want, you can always add some earrings too if we're wanting to be really fancy, but oh gosh, I can't remember the last time I wore earrings. Anyway, here we go. So this is our first gal. I think she looks great. And so you'll go File, Save As, PNG, and I'm going to name her Girl 1. And I'm just gonna put her in here so I don't lose it. All right. Okay, so that was super easy, right? How easy is that? You don't have to draw anything? There it is. All right, so let's make our next girl. So I'm going to turn off her hair, and I'm going to select maybe that skin color. And let's see. Well, actually, I think we're going to have her all them standing up so they can stand side by side. Probably would be good. Maybe not the walking one will do. I don't know. What am I feeling like today? Maybe we'll do this. All right. And let's change her lip color. I say they all should be smiling today. All right. And we can change her nose. Maybe that. And maybe we'll give her, oops, keep her nose on. Maybe some green eyes. I like those ones actually. All right, let's do that. And what do we think for hair? We can do long and straight. Oh, I should show you this too. So you can do a hat, and the hat you can change the color of as well, which is handy. And you can also, feel free to put your own logo on, or customize that a bit. And then of course you can change the ponytail color as well. So that's nice and versatile. Oops, I should leave one on so I don't forget. And let's see, and then there's also this kind of a hat, and same thing, you can change the hat color and the hair color. So that's good to note. Let's see, what shall we make her look like? I like this hair, but maybe we'll, and this has a shadow, so you can turn it on and off, but it's nice to keep that there, so that will work with all the skin tones. Maybe we'll do, yeah, auburn, why not? Okay, so maybe we will give her some earrings. Might work better with this outfit. Okay, so you can turn it on and off, right or left, depending if it kind of interrupts the hairstyle there, so don't worry about that. Well, she looks ready to go. Okay, so we do that, file, save as, PNG. I'm gonna put her back in here and say girl 2. Right. Good. Okay, and let's do one more friend here. And, oh my goodness. And let's do this skin. Actually, you know what? I think I might, maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do this one. So you can change her colors here. So what did we have? We had sort of a purple and a green. Maybe we'll do pink. As you all know, it is my favorite color. Oh, we definitely need to get rid of the earrings here. I think she's a little bit casual. And I don't know, should we give her a pout? Just to change it up? Oops. Maybe. Okay, and we can give her a different nose. What one haven't we used today? Maybe that one. And let's give her some, oops, that's probably not right for her today. There we go. Let's do that. And give her, you know what, I kind of really like this one. I think that's cute. Okay. Yeah, perfect. All right, so let's go, file save as, and do PMG, and it's gonna be girl 3. So I think I put that at one in the other spot. That's all right, girl 3. Beauty. Okay, so then I'm going to go and open this little planner book I have all ready to go, just so we can see what it would look like, the small cup. And so this is where I'm going to create it. So I'm going to simply bring in, well, of course I've gone and put them in the wrong spot, but that's okay. Right, so I've got them now in the right spot. So I can bring all these 3 girls in, just dragging and dropping into my little canvas here. All right. So I'm just going to scale these ladies, well, maybe just down a little bit. Let's see how they fit. I think I'm going to do that color balance there. Cute. All right. Okay, so then I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I'm going to fit in the corner here. All right, and I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I'm going to go and give it, it doesn't really matter what color it is actually. I'm going to give it a bigger stroke here, kind of to give it a border. Maybe that, well, that's too much. All right, maybe about there. Perfect. And then I'm actually going to go and select one of the patterns I've made here. There's just a few, just for little fun ones. I'm going to get this PNG and drag it into Photoshop. And I'm going to go Edit, Define Pattern, and select Yes. And that way it loads it into my little pattern gallery here. So I'm going to, on top of the rectangle layer, I'm going to go Layer, Fill Layer, Pattern, say OK. And that'll automatically select my pattern. You can see it's that one down there. And I'm going to scale it way down quite a bit, maybe even more. Maybe let's go like, I don't know, 18. Yeah, looks good. Okay. And do that. And actually, I'm going to change this can go out more like that. I'm going to change the color of this. So again, I'm going to select my rectangle tool and go here and pick something a little bit more vibrant. There we go. That looks good. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little writing. Okay, so I'm going to take my text tool and I'm going to say plan. And let's see, I'm going to use, so I'm going to change the font here and I'm going to do Lato. If I spell it right, it helps. Nope. And actually, I'm going to have it black too. Okay. Plan the life. And then I'm going to do another text layer and say life and change that to Victoria. And I'm going to change the color, bring up my swatches here and select that same color and scale that. I feel like that is in bold and that should not be. Yep, there we go. Plan that is probably as well. Okay, that's better. Okay, so plan the life, maybe like that. And I'm going to duplicate it, so Command J or Control J on a PC. And I'm going to scoot it down here. Oops. And I'm going to say love, plan the life. Keeps going here. I'll lock that. The life. Oops. You. And unlock that and do love. Oh. And that can probably be a little bit bigger, maybe. Let's see. Maybe a touch. You know what? I know what's wrong with this. It's not looking quite right. I think I want this all to be, I gotta do that. I want this to be caps, and I think that looks better. Yes. Oops, not bold, caps. There we go. All right, and those two I want to be a little bit smaller. There. Okay. So then we can just go File, Save, and that will update. Oh, that. So that is how your planner would look. So that's a nice little quick example. So you can see how easy it is to create these girls and have lots of fun just turning on and off layers and making your own avatar or your own little creation to create some lovely ladies in casual outfits. And so I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and learned a little bit more about how to make a planner easily using Instagal and making your cute little characters. So this pack will be available here at Design Cuts, and you can find it right below this video. It'll say product features in this section, and it should be right below that. And if you have any questions, always feel free to find me on YouTube or Instagram. Stop by, say hello. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time, guys. Love ya.